Welcome everyone to this first of IDA's interactive case studies where we speak with our employer members about their domestic abuse response. Our goal is for every employer in the UK to take effective action on domestic abuse to protect their employees. And today we're here with Cliff Lee from Retail Trust.
Hi, thanks everyone. So a little bit about Retail Trust. We are the charity for retail. We support about 3.5 million employees across the UK retail sector. And through our Wellbeing Service, we support around 230 of the country's leading retailers through our Wellbeing Service. We actually joined IDA in July 2021. On the back of a significant rise in colleagues coming to us for support with domestic abuse related issues as a result of the pandemic. Upon further research into the needs of the retail sector, we also identified that for many victims and survivors of abuse, that working in retail doesn't always provide the same level of safety that other less public workspaces do, especially within retail stores. As a result, we acknowledged that our services needed to change to reflect the evolving needs of those individuals contacting our services. So we developed a dedicated domestic abuse pathway. This includes specialist support, and that we felt as an organisation, we also had the opportunity to increase the awareness of domestic abuse within the workplace and the damaging effects that it can have on colleagues' well-being. With the support of a number of retail partners, we launched our Retail Industry Against Domestic Abuse campaign, and the campaign aims were simple and designed to specifically raise awareness of domestic abuse within the retail community. When building the campaign messaging, we acknowledge that for many organisations, this may be the first time they look to develop an approach and something that they would need to build upon. And therefore, each organisation would need to find something that would work for them, both operationally and culturally. After speaking to our launch partners, we settled on an approach that wasn't too prescriptive and allowed organisations to find their own level. But as a base level, the campaign was asking supporters to take 3 simple, easy steps. Firstly, implement a domestic abuse policy. Secondly, educate managers via our Manager's Guide. Thirdly, become a member of IDA. And then finally, we are delighted that over 50 organisations have actually joined the campaign. Many have used it as a springboard to develop further support elements for their colleagues. And actually, those developments of process have really improved the lives of many survivors of abuse, such as supporting with relocation to alternative stores to facilitate their ongoing support. But being members of IDA has been hugely successful for the Retail Trust. It's enabled us to continue to build our campaign through the networking with other sectors, as well as specialist organisations working in the domestic abuse space. Ultimately, our continued engagement with IDA has assisted us in maintaining our strategic focus on domestic abuse, and we look to further continue to build the relationship and stronger networks, helping to create safer workplaces. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Cliff. And we hope that the story of Retail Trust and the domestic abuse response that you have implemented will inspire other employers to do the same to take effective action on domestic abuse. If you're watching this case study and you're not already an IDA member, please know that IDA membership is free and available to all UK employers. You can learn more about it by going to ida.org.uk/membership. Thank you.